Today's phrase is the phrase, have a blast. That means to have a good time. You can use that phrase when you want to tell someone or recommend for someone to have a good time at what they're doing. Or you can use it as an expression of how you had a good time when you did something. For example, if you went to the park or you went to the beach and you came back and someone asked you, how was your time at the beach? Or how was it? You can say, oh yeah, we had a blast. You can also recommend it for someone before they go somewhere. You can say, hey, have a blast at the mall or have a blast at the beach. Okay, so next time you want to tell someone to have a good time, try the phrase, have a blast. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.